Welcome, I'm Troy, this is Roadside RC. That is one pretty mean looking drift car right there. So this is our Sakura D5S. You saw us build it in a recent video. We have, since that video, we have got it bolted, new body bolted on it. This is actually courtesy of our friend Chris, one of his old bodies. Bolted on, wheels that match, fit set up to it. I'm really kind of digging it. I'm really kind of digging the look of this car. So what we're doing here today, we're gonna do some testing, driving it here in the garage. What we're gonna be looking for, what are those gaps in performance? Like where does it perform better? Where does it perform worse? What is it that we really need to look forward to for modifying and making changes to this vehicle going forward? So let's check it out. Having driven it around here now a couple more hours, the truth is I really like how this car handles just straight out of the box. Yeah, I have some different tires and wheels on it now. These are just the spec that I was driving in the garage previously with my MST. However, even the ones that came with it felt a little bit faster, which is not necessarily always a good thing, a little grippier, but they felt good right out of the box. These feel good. I am just overall overall, I'm pretty dang happy with how this thing is. There's a couple things that we notice, right? I want to do something about getting a full-size servo in here. It's especially important for a budget build. The front suspension is very, very, very stiff. It sits almost at the top of the travel no matter what. And so some softer springs, revalving the shocks in here might be a good suggestion. There's a couple things like that that we're going to be working on. We'll come back with a whole video of how we're going to do stuff like that. I'm also in process already of getting in some items in order to do a just crazy budget build on this. Like, how cheap can we really make this car and it still drift well? So that's also in the works. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, stay connected to us. More content's coming on the modifications, on the cheap build for it. We even have a friend talking about, man, maybe what we're gonna do is test out my cheap build, then throw in all of his really expensive, really fancy drift ESC and everything electronics and see how much difference it really makes. That can be interesting. So stick with us, come over here, watch some of our other videos, keep in touch. We have drift stuff, we have build stuff, we have all sorts of other things on the channel. Really appreciate you guys' support. So until next time, have fun with RC, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.